In this section, we will talk about returns. So far, we have seen how to procure services, non-stock items, stock items, and all along, we have just been receiving goods into our inventory. But what if something goes wrong? Let me give you some examples. Say you receive 100 pounds of flour or sugar, and the vendor sends it to you in two 50 kilo bags. Say one of the bags is torn, or the flour has gone bad, the sugar has gone bad. What do? You don't use it, right? What do? You return it to the vendor. How do you do returns? This is just one scenario. There are many other scenarios for returns. We will see the different scenarios for returns in this section. The simplest is called as a return delivery. So what is a return delivery? Let's take the same case. Coffee gone bad or sugar gone bad, and start all the way from the beginning. So there is a PO, right? That's for say 100 kilos of coffee. And the PO is received. So goods comes in, the 100 kilos comes in, and you do an invoice receipt. So basically this completes the steps from a P2P perspective. The invoice is paid, of course, that's a finance step. We don't care. So the goods is received, goods is in the warehouse, and then somebody went in and wants to use that 100 kilo coffee or 50 kilo coffee. But what they found out is the coffee has gone bad. It's gone stale or whatever. Now we want to return one of the 50 kilo bags. What do? We call the vendor and say, hey, you know what, one of the 50 kilo bags is gone bad. We wish to return it. Typically, there is a very long-term relationship between suppliers and companies. The vendor says, no problem. The next time the truck comes in, send it over and I'll replace it. Right? So the first step that we are going to do is create POGRIR, and after that we're going to return 50 kilos of coffee. Right? So let's do that.